Hi everyone, welcome back to Mubitech Guru. Many of you follow my guide on how to move your PayPal phone to Nsave. If you have done the video, how to move your fund, I think where's the video? Okay, how to move your funds to, that is from PayPal to your bank, that is your Nsave, and also how to link your PayPal to your Nsave account, and also how to create the Nsave account, which I believe
To keep more of what we make with the tightest pricing in the market, there is only one place, access, born to trade.
Hello guys, welcome to Mubitech Guru.
Someone asked how to convert to Naira. I'm stuck here. Someone asked this question how to convert to Naira. So I think from there I also have some tables questions, please. Okay, we've done video on that. So how do you get your money to your Naira, either to your Opay or any of your Nigerian local bank? Today I'll show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing you need to do, don't forget we have our Nsave application. All know we have our Nsave app, and do well to turn on your location. Make sure your location is on. So soon as I've opened, you see this is the app, the Nsave app I'm talking about. So next time I need to open the app. So when you open your app, so you can see when you open your app, first thing that you're going to see a USD account. All you need to just turn this USD account to GBP account. So when you're done turning it to GBP account, come on, let me do some updates. Let me do the updates that's required. That, yeah. Okay. I will send this to GBP. So when you're in this position, so the next thing you're going to do, we have a secret way here. There's something that you need to do first. This secret way is for you to convert to USD. You need to convert to USD first. You understand? That's the only secret you need to do here in this Nsave. You need to convert this 4.18 to what? USD. So that is, you are moving the GBP to USD before you can be able to send to your local Nigerian bank. So all I need to do, just click on this transfer. Sorry, let me go back and show you something. These three dots, we have there's a three dots. The last way we have transfer deposit on the three dots. The exchange between accounts. So I need to exchange between accounts. So I'm going to exchange, I said 84.14, right? The 84.14, right? I'll go back and confirm what's the balance. 84.18, okay, 84.18. 84.18, so 84.18. So we're converting this to what? To dollar. You need to convert this to dollar first. So, and the current rates they're going to be charging for this fee is 0.84, which is 0.50%. So I'm going to be converting this. So I'm making my conversion. Good. So I've already converted this to dollar. So done. It has been done successful. So I have to log in again. we're no longer having this. We're already having what's dollar. That is $113.67. $113.67. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to convert this 113.67 to go to my local bank account. Understand? That's the next time I'm going to be doing. So next you're going to be clicking what? Transfer this 113. 100 what? Yes, NGN is good. Coming, I don't need this. Let me go back. 113.67. 113.67. So all you need to do is just to add account details. If you want to add account details, very easy. Just come here, click on Nigeria, then boom, add your recipient. This is 113.67. So you have 161,000. You understand? So you come here, you add your bank details. You put your name, your last name, put your account number. Then go to your bank, your Opay. You understand? Your Opay or any of your local bank, then you're good to go. But for now, I've already have the account number I want to use. 713.7. Already have an account that I want to use. So all I need to do just already save my account details. So I'm going to be capturing this 113.7. So I'm going to be sending this to my Nigerian local bank account. What is the transfer for? For just family and friends. Service is that. So let's see. Let's see. Service payment. Boom. Let's see. So transfer. Good. Okay. Wow. You have the new transaction. So I'm making 113.7. Wow. You can see it. So look at the money. The money has just arrived. 101,400 to my Opay bank. So you can see that's how to go about it. You can see the money just arrived to my Opay. So let's see the Think network. So we just have 100 and what? 61,418. So you see, I think. So I hope you see the process that we have used. Is it difficult? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? It's not difficult. Like I told you, you need to convert. You need to convert from what? You need to convert your GBP because you're gonna be receiving. If you're receiving GBP, that is maybe you're making use of what? You're making use of dollar account. You have dollar account. Maybe you're paying in dollar. So you need to convert that to. You need to convert the GBP to USD before you can be able to. Then convert to dollar, then from there you should be able to convert to Naira. So I think that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.